Hi again. So we almost finished everything in the head. Now let's add shade smooth. I need to smooth this result and add a bevel, and I need to fix any problem happens when I add the bevel. Right now we got this result, and this result is very nice. Let's see what else we can do here. Maybe I need to make some small extrusion right here. Alright, so let's see how can we do that. I'm going to hit tab to the edit mode and select this face, and maybe I need to extrude it to the normal. So Alt E and extrude along the normal, and let's push this forward a bit, backward a bit, sorry, not too much. And now we just ended with this edge right here. So switch to edge mode, Alt click to select this entire edge loop, and let's see what we can do here. Hit G twice and slide it, and then hit E to, let's see what we can do here. Now it's not correct. G twice and hit F to flip the result. Let's hit E. Yeah, now I think it's better. Just flip it, and now it will be perfect. Now we have the same dimension or distance from this point to this point, and the same thing on this side. Well, now when you complete that, you can you can grab this entire edge loop and activate auto merge and G twice and slide it right here to merge it with this new edge. And after that, again, let's extrude this back. Alt E and extrude along normal and take it back a bit, just like that. Well, that's nice. Or if you want, you can grow the selection Control plus from the numpad and delete it, but delete the face. Switch to face, XF, because now I can grab all of these edges and hit E to extrude, then S to extrude them to the center a bit, just like that. But as you see now, it's following the 3D cursor. Well, that's wrong. I need to bring this to medium point, and now hit S. Yeah, now it's working correctly. Alright, so now with these edges selected, let's extrude this result. But before extruding this result, I need to switch this to normal and hit E to extrude them to the normal. Just push them back a bit, and let's see the result that we got here. Alright, so that's cool. And then when you complete, fill this area with F, just like that, and that's nice. You can hit I for insert to insert the result a bit, just like that. That's gonna work. And there we go. Well, now I need to reflect the same information on the other side. Tap to the object mode with this head selected, add a mirror modifier, and now it's reflected. Hit bisect and flip the result, and there we go, and apply it. Now we got this result right here. It is very nice and clean. Alright, so now what we need to do is I need to smooth the head. Right click to smooth it, right click, shade smooth, and now it's smooth. But we got some problem here, as you see. Too much problem that we got here. Let's see how can we fix this. Actually, to fix this issue with the shading, you need to jump here. Let's go to object data properties, and here we have the normals. Open this list and activate auto smooth, and when you do that, now we have something very smooth. Let's replicate this to this piece, grab it, right click, shade smooth, and activate auto smooth. The same thing for this one, right click, shade smooth, and then activate auto smooth. And let's do this for all the pieces. Alright, so now we are done. We apply the auto smooth on all of these pieces. Now the mission number 2, I need to add the bevel, and I will target this piece first. I will add the bevel for this piece. So just select it, and let's go to the modifier properties, and let's open the list, and from here let's add the bevel. This is the bevel, just add it, and when you add the bevel will apply on all of these, all of the edge. So if you hit Y to switch to wireframe, as you see here, the bevel is applied on all of these edges, and that's because we choose, or it is comes with default switch to none. You need to change the limit method to angle, and now when you do that, the bevel will target the angle alone, as you see right now. So that's nice. Now we need to tweak something here. Let's activate harden normal, and let's turn off the wireframe. The bevel now is very subtle and very small. We need to increase that. If you take this up, nothing happen. That's because clamp overlap is activated. Well, this option, clamp overlap, will make the bevel stops when any issue happens. And if you turn this off, as you see, too many issues happens here. Well, I'm going to take this to maybe 0.5 centimeter. I think 0.5 will be nice, and I will isolate this piece alone. Just hit the slash, and let's see what we got here. Well, everything is nice except this area right here and this area right here, and let's see where's, and we got some problem here and here as well. Well, now I need to fix these. Okay, tap to the edit mode, and let's see what we got here. Turn off the bevel temporarily just to see what we got. So now we have this line. That's not gonna work. I need to merge these two lines with this vertex right here. Switch to the vertex mode, select this one, active auto merge, G twice and slide this here, and G twice, slide this there, and this one G twice and slide it. Now this area should be fixed. Let's jump to this side, the same thing. We will replicate, G twice here, G twice there. That's cool. Let's see what else we have here. Maybe this edge will cause a problem. Switch to edge mode, grab this, Ctrl X, and dissolve it. The same thing for this side, and for the other side here, the same thing. Grab this one, hold shift to grab this, Ctrl X, and dissolve them. Alright, let's see, is there another issue here? We found an issue right here. Yeah, this one right here. So this edge and this one not allowing the bevel to be applied perfectly, because now if I active the bevel, as you see here, this vertex right here is very close to this edge, and that will make a problem when you make the bevel. So to fix this, just grab this vertex, G twice, and move it until you fix the issue, just like that. You can leave it like this, that's gonna work. The same thing for this side, grab this one, G twice, and slide it, and there we go. Let's see if there another problem. I think now everything is perfect. Tap to the object mode, and let's see, let's take a look. Well, perfect. Alright, so that's how to apply the bevel. Let's hit Y to switch to wireframe. Let's see what we got here. I will increase the segments, let's turn off the wireframe, and let's see the result here. I'm going to check the segment to 2. That will make the bevel more perfect here. Let's turn on wireframe, let's see the result here. So this is 2 and this is 1. You can add 3, you can add 4, but 2 does 2 is very nice result. Alright, so that will do for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.